Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please do let me know, guys. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now, guys. Please do let me know. No issues. Okay, that's great. So, how are you guys? Let me know, guys. How are you? Great. So, this is also working. There's no issues in that. Let me know, guys. How are you guys? Fine. That's amazing. So, okay, stressed because exams are coming. Don't worry about exams, man. Like they will come and go. Just worry about how to make sure that you are able to grow yourself periodically. Okay, never stop learning. That should be the main goal in your life. Okay. Which college are you passed out from? So, Birla Institute of Technology. So that is the college that I have passed out from. Okay. Then. So we will got this Microsoft and Google certificate for note taking app. I'm not very sure about the same because that is not something that I handle. I have a small team that makes sure that people are receiving their certificates. Let me just check LinkedIn if I'm able to see any posts related to the same. Uh, okay, I have to take up. Okay, there's a lot that I have to do right now. Uh, this is the real estate one. Then this is Hotstar. Uh, I will server, Python, and deep learning. I don't think so. The note taking app has like the certificate for note taking app has been shared or not. I don't think so. It has been shared. But anyhow, I will talk to my team and let you guys know. Will that be fine? When are we going to receive the Python and deep learning certificates? If I am able to see it clearly, Python and deep learning certificates for the attendance have been sent out. This is for attendance itself. Python and data analysis, Hotstar. What is this for? Backend. So I don't think so. Python and deep learning as well. We have just sent out the DevTown certificates itself. Okay, what percentage did you get in your college? My college didn't worked upon on basis of percentage. Okay, it worked on the basis of CGPA. My CGPA was 8.45 or 47. Okay, so when I okay, so what percentage has been answered? Sir, I got a call from DevTown. So, see, guys, these boot camps that we conduct for free, it's very difficult to promote this from our end because these boot camps are for free, and even our training programs, we earn like 500 rupees per student, and that too goes back into like creating and taking up HRs and handling the doubt solving process and everything. So, we don't earn any money. So, we don't have any money to basically spend on the promotion of these boot camps. So, usually, we will ask the students who are registering for the bootcamp itself to share the information further on with their own like WhatsApp groups or their own colleges because like I said we cannot do it from our end because like I said promoting it on Insta or Facebook requires a lot of money. Like per bootcamp would have to spend approximately 2 lakh plus, but like where will we be arranging that kind of money? And we are planning on expanding the number of boot camps in the future. Like right now we have started on with data structures and algorithms. We are going to start off with blockchain. We're going to start out with IoT. We're going to start off with VR, cybersecurity. So as we are increasing the number of boot camps, it is not possible from our end to like spend anything on the bootcamp itself. That is the reason why we ask the students itself to share the information. I don't think so you should be receiving 2 to 3 calls per day. Like you guys can directly like if you're doing like if you once you are promoting about a particular boot camp, like once you have forwarded the message for a particular boot camp, then I think so you must have like you must be not receiving calls after that. Okay. Karan Patel, you can directly contact them on LinkedIn. If that's the case, don't worry about it. Of course, each and every person whose name is there on the website, we have vetted them properly. So you can check out for every single person who is there on our page. If a particular person hasn't updated their LinkedIn, that would be a very special case. But there are almost 60 people on the website. You can check for each and every one of them. Most of them have updated their LinkedIn. I don't know if a particular person has not updated it. I'm not very sure of it, but yes, every single one of them has updated it. Okay. I think so you are misinformed or you are spreading a fake news right over here. Okay. I can do it for free for you people. Thank you so much, Master John. Okay, how to get Google Microsoft certificate? I will be letting you guys know today itself. Birla College is from Gujarat. No, it's not from Gujarat. For whom I will pay 7,500 rupees. For whom means for DevTown itself. Like, I don't understand the question. Please answer the questions on your Instagram. I try my best to go through all the questions that are there on my Instagram page, but like it takes some time. So I'm definitely trying to make sure that I'm able to do it for you guys as well. Okay. Um, so you are separately placing the students in big companies, sir? Yes, Monica, because we have to do that. Like after the training is over, we have to get them placed as well. So yes. Is this a 8-day boot camp? Yes, Mithul, it's an 8-day boot camp. Okay. Yeah, I'm able to understand, Karan. Don't worry about it. Do .NET boot camps, please. Yeah, we are planning to release a video series on C Sharp and .NET very soon, like in 1 or 2 months. So I hope that that would be like beneficial for you as well. It will be complete from beginner to the most advanced level. We'll be having the project tomorrow. Today I'm going to guide you to the project itself so that you guys are able to understand everything. Okay. Jayesh, where do you stay? So I stay in Bangalore right now, but like I like traveling a lot. So I usually spend my time between Goa, Bangalore, Gujarat, Gurgaon. So this is how Mumbai, like I usually like travel a lot at any point of time. Okay, where's your coffee? So I just drank my coffee right now just before the boot camp. So it is over. Like here is the coffee itself as you're able to see. So I just finished up with the coffee. So I'm just keeping it separately. I got a call from DevTown for internships. Saresh, if you have shown your interest into the training and internship program, there are representatives from DevTown who will be approaching you and helping you out throughout the entire process. So you don't have to worry about it. No, it's Birla Institute of Technology, not whatever you're saying. Okay, where's Susie? 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 I need to check on her. I also don't know where she is. Susie? And I have not been ignored by a particular girl for such a long period of time. Okay. So I don't know where Susie is. I think so she has gone out to play or something like that. Okay. What is the project timing for tomorrow? Because I have enrolled in the next bootcamp for Python and ML. Don't worry about it. The project timing will be at 10 p.m. itself in the evening. Okay, we will be scheduling it by tomorrow morning and it will be at 10 p.m. in the evening itself. Okay, I will be letting you guys know about like the certificates and everything in this video so that you guys are very clear with it, because many of the students will then revert back to us that dude, like when are we going to get the certificates and all those. So I will be very clear about it today in today's class itself. Okay, so don't worry about it. I don't know where Susie is, man. I will have to go and find her if that's the case. Yeah. चल हाँ, आजा आजा. So I brought in Susie as well. Hey, hey, come on, get up, get up, get up. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come on. Okay, she's not at all interested in coming right over there. Okay. So no issues in that. Let's continue with the class itself. Don't worry about it. So I will just show you guys the entire process that you have to follow for the project and the certificates itself. Okay, it will be pretty easy. Just focus upon what I'm telling you guys right now. I'll just open up the live chat on my mobile phone as well so that I'm able to see you guys properly. Okay, I've opened up the live thing right over here as well. Yeah, Susie is the CEO of DevTown. Okay, so I want to attend all the future bootcamps. Is there anything one-time registration? Kamal Joshi, no, you will have to register for every single bootcamp individually. Okay. Please make a final call tomorrow in WhatsApp group related to the bootcamp, the project video. Definitely, we'll definitely do that. Okay. So let's get started right away. Now, shit, is this working or not? Okay, now it's working. So let me just tell you guys the same. Okay, tomorrow at 10 p.m. in the evening. Okay, tomorrow you will be having your project video scheduled. In the description of the video itself, you will be having a link to submit the project. Okay, description of the video itself, you will be having a link to submit the project. Good girl, good girl. Okay, so once you are having a project video and then you are having in the description you are having the link to submit the project itself, you will be given enough time. Okay, in the video itself will be letting you guys know. For example, usually we'll be giving you 3 to 4 days after the video has been live. So for example, the video is live on the 21st, so 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th midnight will be the deadline. 25th midnight. On 21st you will be getting your video. 25th midnight will be as it is clearly written right over here, it's PM. Okay, so 25th midnight it will be the deadline for project submission. So this particular form where you have to submit the project, I will be showing you guys that as well. You don't have to worry about it. So on 25th midnight you will be having the project submission deadline. After that we won't be accepting any more projects, and it's almost 3 to 4 days. It's more than sufficient to create the project. Okay, the project video won't be more than an hour long, so it is more than sufficient itself to create the project. Now once you have created the project and submitted the project itself, that is on 25th of midnight, after that, after 25th of midnight, okay, after 25th of midnight you will be it will take us 1 to 2 weeks to send out the certificates. Okay, it will take us 1 to 2 weeks to send out the certificates. Now you need to keep in mind that while you are submitting the project, you have to use the exact same email. Okay, you have to use the exact same email that you had previously used in filling up your attendance form. Please try to make that an assurance of that. Okay, Like, please do not forget, it is very, very, very important that you are using the same email ID that you have used in your attendance form as well. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. So today project video there is there for Python computer vision. Yes, don't worry about it. If you are stuck somewhere, Smithy, in your final project, just put it up in the comment section of the video. Any representative from DevTown or somebody else will be helping you guys out as well. Do not worry about it. Okay, and as well as on Discord, you can go and post all your doubts and concerns that you are having related to any project on our Discord channel. There are almost 20,000 people on our Discord channel that are always up and ready to help you guys out, so you will face no issues in the project as well. Okay, so now there will be some parts of the project that will be new to you, because see, if I'm spoon feeding you every single thing, then you are not learning anything at the end of the day. So I will be keeping some parts, some advanced CSS, some advanced HTML. So HTML won't be advanced, it will be the basics that we have learned up till now. The CSS portion, I will be putting something advanced right over there, so that, because I need to make sure that you are also developing the skill set of googling things. None of the developers at any point of time when they are sitting and making a project know everything. Even I don't know. I have to go and search for it, I have to study for it, I have to read 2-3 books, watch some documentations, watch some videos, and then I'm able to create my project when I'm doing it on all on my own. Here you are getting a video in which I'm explaining every single line by line, but there will be some parts that I will be telling you guys that, dude, this is something that I will not be explaining you have to study it on your own. It will be very small parts itself, but that habit of, I need to inculcate that habit itself. Like I said, I'm not a YouTuber. I need to inculcate a habit within the students to help them learn what is the development like skill sets. Okay, like what is the development process. Now, just watching a video and making a project is not the aim. Of course, I'll be including every single line in the video itself. You don't have to worry about it. But still, like, that is not the aim of this bootcamp. We need to make sure that you are actually getting a taste of development as well. Okay, those who are not familiar with their like Discord, it's just like an app. You can just download it, you can open it on the net. The link to join our Discord channel is down in the description of the video itself, so you don't have to worry about it. The project submission link will be in the description of the project video. Like I've said right over here, it will be in the description of the project video, guys. Okay, so do we have to create our own personal portfolio website, or create the same personal portfolio website that will be created in the project video? You can make some changes, okay, but not like completely. You can change a bit of colors, you can use some different images, okay, but the rest of the code should be the exact same, because of course I'm not going to sit through like 1000 projects and check them individually. I have a parser that I'm having. That parser basically goes through the code and checks whether how much similar it is to my own code. So, and that similarity, I ignore like some of the parts of the CSS code and the images. So you can change the CSS code and the images itself. Okay, okay, so right over here, as you are able to see, it will take us at least 1 to 2 weeks after 25th midnight to send you guys the certificates. Okay, so it takes us some time. I will definitely encourage you guys, once you have completed the project, put it up on LinkedIn. Okay, whatever project that you have created, put it up on LinkedIn. What I have seen is that people get a lot of traction by showing what they are currently doing. Okay, so let me just show you guys the same as well. So okay, for example, if I'm going on my LinkedIn page into the notifications, so I get a lot of notifications right now due to the certificates and everything. Some of the students post like what they have made in the boot camp right over here. So let me just show it to you guys. Somebody had posted for the Hotstar bootcamp, if I remember it correctly. Like, there's just so many posts right over here that it becomes very difficult to find something in this. So, for example, this particular person has posted the image of what he has created in the bootcamp. some people post up a like a video of what they have done in the bootcamp itself. So for example, this is the backend web development bootcamp that they had completed. They go through the entire code and the project that they have built and it's working or not. There was one on like Hotstar clone as well, but I don't think so I'm able to find it. Okay, what will be the deadline? So it will be 25th of this month. Okay, 25th of July, midnight. Okay, so you providing all the code for the project? No, Pooja, I won't be doing that. I will be making the entire project in the video itself. Coding, you will be able to see the code in the video, but I won't be providing you with the code files, okay? Because then like what's the use of basically doing everything, okay? Okay, are you guys able to understand it? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Murlidhar, as you are able to see the name of the bootcamp itself, it will be your own personal portfolio website in HTML and CSS. Okay, where do we have to submit it? It will be a project link, okay, project submission link that will be in the description of the video itself. Okay, so don't worry about it. So you will be creating whatever like project that I'm creating in the video, you will have to create the exact same project. Okay, so the Google and the Microsoft certificate, like I've already told you guys, those students will be having 100% of attendance as well as the correct project submitted. They will be receiving the certificates of Google and Microsoft after 1 or 2 weeks, after 25th of midnight. So from 25th of midnight, 1 or 2 weeks it will take us to send out all the certificates. Okay. So if you provide the code, we are not providing the code, Pragati. I will just be teaching you guys how to make the project. I'm not going to provide you with the code. Okay, I will just be making a video in which you will be able to see me coding, and I will be explaining the code as well. I'm not going to provide you with the code. Okay, I'm not that dumb. I've been doing these boot camps for almost 2 years right now. So yeah, I know how it works. Okay. Sorry, man, I'm not Kannada. Like, I'm North Indian. It's very difficult to explain where I'm from because, like, my father is Bihari, my mother is Maharashtrian. I lived most of my life in Gujarat, and then I shifted to Bangalore. So it becomes very difficult for me to explain it to you guys. Okay. Dhruvil, like I've said, you haven't even submitted the project. It takes us 1 to 2 weeks after project submission to send out these certificates. Okay. You can change the color, you can change the images in the project. Okay. Mohit, in the video itself, I will be explaining you guys how to submit your project. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Everybody has to make their project only on Code Sandbox itself. You cannot use any other way of submitting the project. You have to create your project only on Code Sandbox. Don't ask me, can we do it on VS Code? Can we do it on Ripple? Can we do it on this? That only on Code Sandbox. Okay, so you have to submit the project via that as well. Okay. Parameshwar, like I've said, it is 10 p.m. tomorrow that we'll be having the project video, and the link to submit the project will be in the description of that video. Okay, there will be the class at 10 p.m. Karati. Okay, okay. Yes, of course, you can change the text, you can change the CSS, just the colors, okay, in CSS, and you can change the images. Okay. Dhruval, I think so. The Microsoft certificate might be on their way because that is not something that we send out. It is from Microsoft. I'm not very sure whether the Microsoft certificates have been sent out or not. Okay. You want to come up, then come up. Now, why are you coming again and again? हाँ बच्चा, what happened? कोई बात नहीं. Harsh Pohal, I talk to a lot of people every single day. I am not very sure about it, whether we have talked or not. It would be helpful if you are able to share the conversation that we had, so that I'm able to understand whether we had talked or not. Because every day throughout the morning, I have like a meeting or a talk with almost 150 people right over there. Okay. I'm so sorry if I don't remember it. Okay. I'm so sorry for the same. Can you show us? Can you show now the picture of the portfolio? You can just wait for tomorrow itself. You will be able to see it. Okay. Viraj Patel, thank you so much. Okay. Yes, you can make your own portfolio by inserting your own images. Don't worry about it. If you have a doubt, can you ask on Insta and Telegram? Just ask on Discord. Okay. Whatever doubts you are having, just directly ask on Discord itself. Are these certificates worth it to be put on the resume? That depends upon whether you have understood the topic or not. If you have understood the topic properly, okay, if you have understood the concepts properly, yes, it is worth it to keep on your resume. But if you have not understood anything, you are not visiting the classes, then don't keep it on your resume, because at every point of time it will be a more of a hindrance rather than an opportunity for you. Okay. Did you send the hard copy for the certificate? Sachin, do you feel that I will be sending you a hard copy of the certificate even when I am completing my internship? When I completed my internship at Google, when I completed my internship at Fastnell, when I completed my internship at Geo, Reliance, I never got an hard copy of any certificate. It's always soft itself. Like, get on with the 21st century, guys. Okay, the website shows the price to be 10K. Your link asks 7.5K. Yes, Harsh, I explained it yesterday that we don't want students from outside the bootcamp to enroll into the program. That is the reason why we keep a higher price outside, so that nobody is enrolling from right over there. And also, we need to talk to you guys first to able to understand whether this program is good enough for you or not. That is the reason why we only provide the link to those students who are really interested for the same. That is the reason why we have so many representatives out there. Yes, we could have done that. We could have just put up 7.5K on the website as well, and everybody would have made the payment from there. But we don't want that. Okay, like I said, we are a non-profit organization. We really don't care if one student is there in the class or 1,000 students are there in the class. We care about one thing, that is quality. Okay. What the fuck happened right over here? Acha bhai, Susie, everybody is asking for you. Hey, hey, what are you doing? Eh? What are you doing? Acha, come on. मोटापा हो गया तेरे को है फैटी. Come here. Everybody is asking for you. So this is basically I this is basically Susie. She's today very. Ah. Do you want to kill me or something like that? Just say hi to everybody. Everybody wants. Hey, hey, hey. Ah. Everybody wants to say hi to you. Okay, you are not interested to talk to anybody? Yeah, girls are like this itself. You're going to kill me, dude, with your weight. Acha, theek hai, leave me alone. You want to sit like this itself now. How will I work? Now stop looking at me. So this is Susie, the official CEO, the chief entertainment officer of our company, and as well as the brand ambassador. It's just that she has got a lot fat, but I like it. Soft. Huh? No, go, 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 go. Come on. Go. Enjoy your life. Okay, so that was Susie right over there. That was the face reveal of Susie. Yeah, you can just think about her as my girlfriend itself. Okay. She does not like to sit on a stool, like that's the main problem. Like she would like to just lay on me, but she won't sit on a stool itself. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we'll end the class right over here, guys. I've told you guys everything about the project as well as the submission and the certificates itself. So we'll wait for the same. Okay, tomorrow at 10. You won't be having any attendance in tomorrow's video, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, you don't have any attendance in tomorrow's video, so we can continue with right over there, and let's hope to see you guys in the future boot camp as well. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Thank you, guys.